and plans. I got a happy mail to show everyone. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. So this is from Journalspiration, and kind of sort of don't remember what I even bought, so we're going through this for the first time together. Okay, so invoice. Okay, so business card. Thank you so much for your purchase and for supporting this small business. You are very welcome. Alright, so I can save that paperclip. The paperclip is cute. Okay. So I've got some watercolor sea stickers, some watercolor looks like succulent stickers, and all of these are kiss cut, so I can just take those right on up. Some watercolor flowers, watercolor leaves, and this is kind of like a wreath, also watercolor, and another watercolor wreath. And then I've got days of the week, plenty of those. And I've got, I want to say this was called Galaxy, watercolor Galaxy stickers. And I'll link all of this in the description below, of course. Another watercolor wreath. And another pretty watercolor wreath. So we've got 2 large wreaths, 2 smaller wreaths, and a bunch of other watercolored stickers, and the Galaxy stickers, and the days of the week stickers. Let me adjust that a little bit so you guys can see everything. Yep. And so again, this is from Journalspiration, and I always liked her little doodles and drawings and stuff in her journal, so I'm really happy to have some of those so that I can put them in mine, because as I've said many times before, I am not artistically inclined, so I will be using these stickers in a bunch of different layouts. So you guys will see those on our Instagram page when I take pictures and plan with me's later when I use these to set up my weeklies. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys later, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video and want to see more, hit that like button.